In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out and forget an Outlook account in your web browser. First, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will work for this, so use the one you're most comfortable with. Once it's open, go to the Outlook page. You can do this by typing the Outlook website address into the address bar and pressing Enter. This takes you to Outlook on the web, where you can access your email, calendar, and other Microsoft services. When the page loads, look toward the top right corner. You should see a small circle that shows your initials, like BT. This is your profile indicator, and it tells you which account is currently active. It's usually a colored circle with the letters of your first and last name. If you're already signed in, it will be visible on most Outlook web pages. Click that profile circle. A small panel will open, showing details about the currently signed-in account. If you use multiple accounts, you may see more than one listed here. Next to the account you want to remove from the browser, look for a three-dotted menu icon. This menu is designed to give you more control over that specific account's options. Click the three dots to expand those options. In the options that appear, choose Sign Out and Forget. This does two important things at once. It signs you out of the selected account, and it tells the browser not to remember that account for quick sign-in in the future. That way, the next time you or someone else opens Outlook on this browser, that account won't appear as a suggested one-click option. Instead, you'll be prompted to enter credentials again, which is especially helpful on shared or public computers. After you click Sign Out and Forget, give the page a moment to process. You may see a brief confirmation or be redirected to a general sign-in page. That's normal. If you were actively viewing your mailbox, you might be taken back to the Outlook welcome screen. This is simply Outlook confirming that the account was signed out and removed from the quick list on this browser. That's all there is to it. By using the profile button, the three-dotted menu, and the Sign Out and Forget option, you're making sure that account information isn't kept for quick access on this device. It's a simple step that adds a layer of privacy and prevents accidental access later. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, you're all set to repeat the process for any other account you want to forget on this browser.